We'll take a close look at the phone's design, display, performance, battery life, camera, and software to help you decide if it's the right phone for you. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is the latest addition to Samsung's Fan Edition lineup, which offers flagship-level features and performance at a more affordable price. The S23 FE follows in the footsteps of the successful S21 FE, which was one of the best smartphones of 2021. But is the S23 FE worth buying? In this review, we'll take a close look at the phone's design, display, performance, battery life, camera, and software to help you decide. Design. The S23 FE has a similar design to the regular S23, with a flat AMOLED display, a metal frame, and a glass back. However, there are a few key differences. First, the S23 FE has a slightly larger display at 6.7 inches compared to 6.1 inches for the S23. Second, the S23 FE has a plastic back instead of a glass back. This makes the phone slightly lighter and more durable, but it also gives it a less premium feel. Overall, the S23 FE has a clean and modern design. It's not as flashy as some other smartphones on the market, but it's still a good-looking phone. Display. The S23 FE has a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. This means that the display is incredibly smooth and responsive. It's also very bright and colorful, making it perfect for watching videos and playing games. One of the best things about the S23 FE's display is that it supports HDR10+. This means that you can watch HDR content on the phone and enjoy the full range of colors and contrasts. Performance. The S23 FE is powered by the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor. This is one of the fastest mobile processors on the market, and it makes the S23 FE a breeze to use. Whether you're multitasking, playing games, or watching videos, the S23 FE will handle everything with ease. The S23 FE also comes with 8 GB of RAM and up to 512 GB of storage. This is plenty of memory and storage for most users. If you are enjoying this video, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you're as excited as we are about this showdown. Your support keeps our content flying high. Battery life. The S23 FE has a 4,500 mAh battery. This is a good-sized battery, and it should easily get you through a full day of use on a single charge. If you're a heavy user, you may need to top up the battery at some point during the day. The S23 FE also supports 45-watt fast charging. This means that you can quickly top up the battery when you need to. Camera. The S23 FE has a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 10-megapixel telephoto sensor. The main sensor takes excellent photos in all lighting conditions, and the ultra-wide sensor is great for capturing wide-angle shots. The telephoto sensor allows you to zoom in on subjects without losing too much quality. The S23 FE also has a 10-megapixel front-facing camera for taking selfies. The front-facing camera takes good photos in good lighting conditions, but it struggles a bit in low light. Software. The S23 FE ships with Android 13 out of the box. This is the latest version of Android, and it comes with a number of new features and improvements. One of the best things about the S23 FE's software is that it's very clean and simple. There's no bloatware, and the phone is very easy to use. The S23 FE also comes with a number of Samsung exclusive features, such as Samsung Pay, Bixby, and Samsung DeX. Verdict. So, is the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE worth buying? In short, yes. It's a great smartphone with a lot to offer. It has a beautiful display, powerful performance, a versatile camera system, and long battery life. The only real downside to the S23 FE is its plastic back. However, this is a minor complaint and it's worth the trade-off for a more affordable price. If you're looking for a great smartphone that won't break the bank, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a great option to consider. Here are some additional thoughts on the S23 FE. Value for money. The S23 FE offers excellent value for money. It has a flagship-level processor, a beautiful display, a versatile camera system, and long battery life, all at a more affordable price than the regular S23. Compared to the competition, the S23 FE faces stiff competition from other smartphones in the same price range, such as the Google Pixel 7 and the OnePlus 11. However, the S23 FE offers a number of advantages over these phones, such as a better display, a more versatile camera system, and longer battery life. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a great smartphone with a lot to offer. It has a beautiful display, powerful performance, a versatile camera system, and long battery life. The only real downside to the S23 FE is its plastic back. However, this is a minor complaint and it's worth the trade-off for a more affordable price. Who should buy the S23 FE? The S23 FE is a great option for anyone looking for a flagship-level smartphone without spending a fortune. It's also a good option for anyone who wants a phone with a large display, long battery life, and a versatile camera system. Who should not buy the S23 FE? The S23 FE is not a good option for anyone who wants a phone with a premium design or the latest and greatest features. It's also not a good option for anyone who is looking for a very small or lightweight phone. The Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a great smartphone with a lot to offer. It has a beautiful display, powerful performance, a versatile camera system, and long battery life. The only real downside to the S23 FE is its plastic back. However, this is a minor complaint and it's worth the trade-off for a more affordable price. If you're looking for a great smartphone that won't break the bank, the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE is a great option to consider. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.